So as you may be able to tell from the setup and the title of the video, I am trying out a new segment. Because I like to make drinking jokes by incorporating my alcoholic tip of the day to specific videos, I've decided now and then to share with you guys cocktail recipes named after movies, actors, or movie characters, further combining two of my favorite things, movies and alcohol. The cocktail I'll be sharing today is one of my favorites, and that's a Blue Lagoon. So the Blue Lagoon is a 1980 American romantic survival drama film directed by Randall Kleiser with a screenplay by Douglas Day Stewart and is based on the 1908 novel The Blue Lagoon by Henry DeVere Stackpole. The film stars Brooke Shields and Christopher Atkins, who I had a big crush on back in the day thanks to the pirate movie. It tells the story of two young children marooned on a tropical island in the South Pacific, and we'll leave it at that. Between you and me, I love the cocktail far more than the movie, so good thing we're here to talk about the cocktail. This one is super easy to make. For ingredients, all you need is vodka, blue curacao, lemonade, and for garnish, a glacé cherry and a lemon or orange slice. I hate glacé cherry, so my garnish won't include it. In a glass of your choice, although the bigger the better, add ice, then top with 1 ounce of vodka, or if you don't know how much that is, that's 30 mils. Then add 1 ounce of blue curacao. Then finish that off with some lemonade, as little or as much as you like. Add your garnish and it's ready to serve. And there you have it, a super easy to make Blue Lagoon cocktail, which is perfect to have during the summertime. So for me, I'd make it during mine or my siblings' birthdays or Christmas, since those are all during the summer. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give this video a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos like this, then drop a comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Until next time, cheers.